तो कैसे आप
The Poco M3. Here at Poco, we will stay firm with 3 product promises. Technology that matters, amazing pricing, and reliable quality. For the Poco M3, we have a 6.53-inch large display. But we also took good care of our screen. With Corning Gorilla Glass protection technology, the Poco M3 screen is more durable. It's an anti-fingerprint texture back. With just less than 1 millimeter of thickness, your Poco M3 will be well stable on a flat surface. It weighs just 198 grams, features a dual speakers, giving you more sound, more immersive, and more clear experience. We also have the 3.5mm headphone jack, and the IR blaster. It's just what you expected. And on the side of the Poco M3, we do have a side-mounted fingerprint sensor that also acts as a power button. We have a gigantic 6,000 milliamp battery. And when you need to charge up, we do support 18-watt quick charge. The Poco M3 battery, gigantic 6,000 milliamp, supports 18-watt quick charge with an inbox charger, a high charge cycle battery. We put a Snapdragon 662, which is the latest 4G 600 series processor launched by Qualcomm this year. We also have 4 GB of LPDDR4X RAM. This is a very popular RAM technology used through all segments of phones, whether it's flagship or mid-range. And when it comes to storage, write speed is also very good. Not only we have up to 128 GB of option, we also put UFS 2.2 technology in the Poco M3 to ensure any loading time can be reduced as much as possible. We have the Poco M3 in Power Black, Poco M3 in Cool Blue, Yellow, Poco Yellow. We have a very capable main camera pushing out 48 megapixel. On top of our 48 megapixel camera, we also have 2 other lenses to push out even more modes for our fans to try out and explore their creativity. We have a macro camera for up-close shots, capturing things from a zoomed-in perspective, a depth sensor to take some awesome portrait shots. Poco M3 is more than you expect, so we decided to add in FHD+. Now this is a massive difference. For example, the comparison between HD+ and FHD+ on this image from afar, you may not see the difference. But when you're actually spending some time watching something, the difference is massive. It's basically comparing 720p and 1080p. So let's sum it up. A large 6.53-inch display that features a 90.34 screen-to-body ratio, one of the best in the entry segment. Instead of HD+, it has FHD+, which offers 1080p resolution. And actually, it's both Widevine L1 and 2 bright and low blue light certified. For our 4GB and 64GB variant, we have an amazing price at $149. For the 4GB plus 128GB option, we have an amazing price at $169.
Fuck off.